आज हमारी ईवीएस की क्लास है ना, और ईवीएस में आज हम एक नया टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ टेल मी, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रिमेंबर दैट व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ईवीएस? यस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ईवीएस? डू यू रिमेंबर? आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड दिस टू यू. यस, वेरी गुड. So EVS means environmental studies. So whatever surrounds the living beings, okay, जो भी चीजें हमें हमारी सराउंडिंग्स में होती हैं, हमारे आसपास होती हैं, that can be living things और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, है ना. जैसे हमारे आसपास क्या होते हैं? एनिमल्स होती हैं, बर्ड्स होती हैं, फिशेस होती हैं, राइट. Then there's a chair, table. There are so many things around us, right? Okay, whenever you will see around you, there will be different things, है ना. अलग अलग इंसान के आसपास अलग अलग चीजें होती होंगी. That is why we say that we live in different surroundings. हम अलग अलग सराउंडिंग्स में रहते हैं. हमारे आसपास अलग अलग एनवायरमेंट होता है, right? Okay, so that is what we study in environmental studies. Okay, so let us see what is the topic that we are going to study today. Animals and where do they live? Animals and where do they live? What does this mean? Animals का हमने अलग अलग animals पढ़े हैं. Do you remember? We have learned different animals names, right? Okay, so we have categorized them into two categories, big animals and small animals. हमने दो categories में divide किए थे, right? Big and small. Okay, big and small. Okay, and what else do you remember? Yes, anything you can share? Okay, so you have learned the spellings as well, right? So animal names, okay, then their spellings, then their categorization. Okay, so today we are going to see where do they live. Animals कहाँ रहते हैं? For example, monkey. Monkey lives in forest, है ना. हमारे आसपास भी monkey होता है, तो आपने देखा होगा monkey trees पे रहता है. So can we say monkey lives on trees? Monkey trees पे रहता है. अब वो हमारे आसपास हो या forest में हो. Okay, so in a similar manner, different animals lives at different places. Okay, सब अलग अलग जगह रहते हैं. जैसे हम लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? हम लोग अपने घरों में रहते हैं. We live in our own houses. Okay, so in a similar manner, animals also have their house, though their houses are little different from ours. Okay, so today we are going to study where do they live. Okay, and also we will be studying one more thing, that is their categorization. ठीक है, एनिमल्स की हम एक और कैटेगरी पढ़ेंगे, that is pet animals and wild animals. We can also see farm animals. Okay, so I'm going to give a brief intro. What are pet animals? Pet animals क्या होते हैं? आपने देखा होगा, आप लोग अपने घरों में डॉग्स रखते हैं, right? So we keep dog at our homes as pets. Okay, हम लोग पेट के जैसे क्या रखते हैं अपने घर में? डॉग्स, cats. We sometimes keep those white albino rats. We keep birds as well as parrots, right? So there are different animals that we keep at our homes. Okay, तो जो animals हम अपने घर में रख सकते हैं, जो हमारे लिए dangerous नहीं होते, जो हमें protect करते हैं, they can become good companions. Okay, they can become our friends. उन्हें हम बोलते हैं pet animals. And जो animals forest में रहते हैं, they are very dangerous for us. They can harm us. Okay, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं wild animals. Okay, for example, lion, tiger, all these are very dangerous for us, right? So today we are going to see different animals which can be categorized into pet and wild animals. Okay. So let us see homes of different animals. This is a lion, and lion lives in den. Bear lives in cave. Elephant, and where do they live? They live in forest. Then deer in grassland. Okay. Then hippos, that is hippopotamus, on river banks. Cheetah in savanna. Monkey on trees. Camel in deserts. Giraffe, savanna. You can also call it forest. Cow, cattle shed. Horse, stable. Donkey, stable. So horse and donkey have similar houses. Hen lives in coop. You would have seen this. Rabbit in burrows. We have learnt a poem as well. Ant, anthill. Frog lives in lakes or pond. Snakes in burrows, just like rabbits. Bee in beehives. We have seen this in poem as well. Dogs in kennel. Mouse in holes. You would have seen in your houses as well. Birds nest. Panda, bamboo tree. So can you tell me what do they eat? Horse, cows. Yes, horse and cow eats grass. Cats eat fish. Okay, then let's revise. Cats, fish, horse and cow, grass. Okay. Now let's see what do they eat. Dogs eat bones. Monkey eats banana. Frog, flies. Rabbit eats carrots. Birds eat worms. Lion eats meat. Giraffe eats leaves. Sheep eat grass. Chicken eats grains. Now we will be seeing some pet animals and wild animals. Okay. So please keep revising it. First of all, we will be starting from the wild animals. Okay. Wild animals lives in forest and they are dangerous. So what all animals can you see? Yes, can you see different animals? Can you name them? So this was the first animal, that is lion, and lion is a wild animal. Then tiger. Then monkey. Monkeys are wild animals, okay? And they live on trees. Then fox, and fox is very clever and sharp. Then wolf, bear, elephant, deer, kangaroo, giraffe. So we have seen some wild animals. Now let us see some pet animals. Okay, which we can keep in our houses as well. So they can also be called as house pets. That is dog. Dog is our, I guess, favorite pet animal. Then cat. Yes, we can keep it in our houses as well. Then fishes. Okay. Rabbits. Okay, so I hope you have understood this topic properly. Okay, and for in order to memorize it, you have to revise it again.